Hey guys, Richard Constable here. I'm going to be giving you 5 easy picking exercises today to get you started. You'll need 2 things. You will need a guitar and you'll need a plectrum. If you don't have these items, please have a look below at the links I've posted. Let's get started. So even if you've never ever played before, you'll be able to do these. All you need to do is just pick downwards on the 6th string. Now this is nice and easy. You want to be concentrating on the tone and the accuracy and making sure you're getting a nice sound coming out of the string. Like I said, if you never played before, you'll be able to do this. All you're doing is just picking down on the 6th string, or the E string, which is the one at the top here, if you have a look below. Okay, exercise number 2. This is where we're going to be picking upwards. Okay, opposite of what we've just done, going downwards, we want to be picking upwards. Spend a couple of minutes doing that, and again, try it on every single string. Really focusing, making sure you're not hitting any other strings. Maintain accuracy. You'll notice yourself getting faster and faster, which is really good, but again, it's good to have a good consistent rhythm and also to make sure you're not hitting the other strings. Exercise number 3. This is where we're going to be doing alternate picking. We're going to be going down and up on the 6th string. Down and up. So this is combining the down strokes we were just doing and the up strokes and putting them together. This is probably the fastest form of picking because you're able to do down and up straight after each other instead of having to reload each time. So again, try that on every single string, maintaining accuracy, make sure you don't hit the other strings. Exercise number 4. We want to be going down on the 6th and up on the 5th string, okay? Down on the 6th, up on the 5th, down and up. So again, nice and easy. Really focus on what you're doing. Make sure you're being accurate. Don't worry about the speed to start with. Just make sure you've got a nice consistent rhythm and that you are hitting the strings, the right strings, okay? Make sure you're not clashing with the other strings. So again, try that on every single set of strings. And do that for 2 minutes each day. So do each exercise 2 minutes each day and it will really revolutionize your playing. Okay, exercise number 5. This is where we go up on the 6th string and down on the 5th string. So up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Nice and simple. Again, do this for 2 minutes. Try on each set of strings. Up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down. So the reason we do these picking exercises is just so when we come to using our left hand, we won't be thinking about our right hand anymore. So if our right hand is autonomous, which means we're not thinking about it anymore, you will then be able to really work on your lead work and not be thinking about your picking hand because you've been doing your exercises up and down and up, etc, etc. And you can really focus on your left hand and getting those beautiful licks coming out. So I hope you like my video. If you have, please subscribe below and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, take care.